How to fix PlayStation 5 not showing on TV. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To fix a PlayStation 5 not showing on TV, follow this quick and easy step. So first and foremost, to troubleshoot your PS5, check for the connection. That is the HDMI cable and TV input. If you have such issue, there are the chances that your HDMI cable is not securely plugged in. Also make sure that your TV is set up to the correct input source. It could be HDMI 1 or HDMI 2. So make sure you check it first and foremost. Another is to turn off both your PS5 and your TV. Unplug the power cords from both devices and wait for a couple of minutes. Plug the power cord back in and try turning on both devices again. If it is possible, connect your PS5 to a different TV to see if the issue is with the TV or the PS5. Also, the very important part over here is to check for software update. You need to make sure both your PS5 and TV have the latest software update and are compatible with each other. You can also adjust the video output settings. On your PS5, go to the Settings option, click on System and tap on Video Output. Try adjusting the video output information and HDMI video output settings. Those are some of the ways to troubleshoot your PS5 and fix your PS5 not showing on TV. This sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.